Hi, I'm Alan Hawes. I'm Senior Vice President of Technical Staff for Solutions and Software here at Cypress Semiconductor. Let's talk about using the U8G library to display information on this shield. If you don't have the shield, you can reproduce most of these exercises using a U8G compatible display of your own and then wiring it to the appropriate pins. To get a U8G display, search for 128 by 64 OLED display on eBay or Amazon.com, and you'll find lots of choices for only a few dollars. First, let's create a folder to hold the Chapter 4 projects. Then I'll copy the SNP project called graphics/hello to be called www.101/04/02_hello. Remember that these SNP projects are there to give you building blocks to help you accelerate your own firmware development. Then update the names of the files and update the make file. Let's also create a make target for our new project. Now, open up o2_hello.c. The U8G display communicates using I2C. Specifically, it's an I2C slave using address hex 3C. On our shield, the display is connected to the WICED_I2C_2 pins on the chip. You can see that an I2C structure is already set up for a device connected to WICED_I2C_2 with the appropriate address, which is hex 3C. We're going to change the speed mode from I2C_high_speed_mode to be I2C_standard_speed. But otherwise, no other changes are needed. Note that the API functions are provided to initialize the I2C interface, which we will call OLED_display, and to initialize a structure called U8G. Once that's done, we use the various library functions to display the message "Hello World!" to the screen, the standard first project that you always do. Now program the project and let's see what it does. Hey look, it says "Hello World." That's just what we were hoping for. A second example called snip/graphics test shows a little bit more complex example. Let's copy that project to be O2B_graphics test, and then update all of the other necessary places. Remember to change I2C speed to be I2C_standard_speed. Once that's done, program the board and check out all of the moving graphics display stuff that's going on. That's really cool for only a few dollar display. As always, you can post your comments and questions in our Wi-Fi developer community, or you're welcome to email me at alan_hawes@cypress.com or tweet me at AskIoTExpert. Thank you.